Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enter a promo code or promotional code in Google Ads. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright guys, head on over to ads.google.com and then from here make sure to sign in, or if you need to create an account, go ahead and click on create account. So I'm going to sign into my Google Ads account, and now from here, once you've signed in, what you want to do is click on the search here and then type in promotional code or promo code like so, and then under pages it will come up as promotions, so click on to promotions. And now from here, to add in a promotional code or promo code, click on the blue plus icon and then add in the code here, click on submit. And then once you've done that, that promotional code will be active inside your Google Ads account. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.